In today's video, I'll teach you how to clear watch history on DramaWave. First of all, launch open DramaWave application. You can see over here DramaWave application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you've watched something on DramaWave, it will be shown in the watch history. In order to see the watch history, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the history over here. Simply tap on this option. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all of your watch history over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the edit icon. So what you have to do is tap on it. So if you want to clear the watch history, tap on this option, select all that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option, delete, that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll have to confirm the deletion. Tap on this option, confirm. Now you can see over here your watch history has been cleared. Now you'll no longer be able to see anything in the watch history. So that is how you clear watch history on DramaWave. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.